Source, radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Richland County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight
This one
Time.
includes 70 mile
At
per hour wind
5:27
gusts.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Forest Acres, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Right there.
Source, radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Columbia, West Columbia, Forest Acres, Camden, Lake Wateree Dam, Dentsville, St. Andrews, Arcadia Lakes, Lugoff, villages as Sandhill, Elgin, Killian, Riverbank Zoo, Woodfield, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, South Carolina State Fairgrounds, Fort Jackson, 5 Points, and Fort Jackson Wildcat Road. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile marker 65 and 100. Interstate 77 between mile markers 4 and 23. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a flash flood warning for